front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy section. Now scroll down again and this time click on Privacy Controls. Select Permission Manager. And now we can begin adjusting. Don't worry, you will find this section here on this OnePlus because I tested this device multiple times and actually managed Permission Manager before recording to check out if it works. So first, pick any feature you want to manage, like calendar, and select one of your apps under one of those sections, allowed or not allowed. Let's try photos from not allowed one. Now you need to click on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Calendar access for this app, allow or don't allow. I will go with allow, so now when I tap and go back, I can start photos just gained access to my device's calendar. But you can also pick any feature here just to manage chosen app. Firstly, click on a feature, then find your app and click on it as well. And finally, instead of tapping on any of those options, scroll all the way down. It's very important, because here you can click on See All Permissions and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!